you. Thanks a lot, sir. And thanks for being a part of this. You were there yesterday in our celebration as well.
It was very good.
Yes, thank you.
Who's the man in the orange shirt?
Yesterday, he's a poet, sir. He's Mr. Ashok, Dr. Ashok Chakradhar. He is a poet. He writes poetry in Hindi, and he was invited yesterday as well as.
Was he a is he a funny speaker? A lot of people were laughing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He was he writes funny poetry.
Good.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad you all had a good day.
Yes, sir. It was very good. It was good having you as well, sir. Thank you so much. I also thank our participants. I'm sure that you had as good a time in this lecture as I did. And sir spoke about things that we are all thinking, but we are not able to articulate it so well. It was very nice listening to sir. And we have another 3 sessions tomorrow. I know tomorrow is a Sunday, but we'll be having sessions, webinars tomorrow as well. So let's. I'll see you tomorrow. And sir, thank you so much for being here. It was very, very beautiful session, sir. It was. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.
Dhruv, do you have a question?
Sir, I was asking that is that the same link for tomorrow?
Yes, the same link for all the days. Okay, till 30th we have the same link. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Professor Ware. Thank you so much for being
Pleasure.
with us.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. You have a good day, sir.